Good morning to all of you, as it is 3rd of July 2021, class 12, subject economics. Our today's topic is variable costs and total variable costs. Previously we learned about the concept of cost and cost function. Now today we want to know about the variable costs. Variable costs refers to those expenditures which are incurred by the producer on the purchase of the variable factors of production. Here one thing should be noted, that we have to understand what variable factors of production are. Land is not a variable factor of production. Capital may be a variable factor in the short run, but when it is invested for a long period, then it may be considered as a fixed cost. Here, the purchase of raw material is included in the variable cost. Wages of casual laborers is included in the variable cost, not the wages of permanent laborers. Okay. The feature of these costs is that when output changes, these costs also change. This thing should be remembered, that when output changes, these costs also change. Total, then we want to know about total variable cost. Total variable costs initially increase at decreasing rate, and hence diminishing return to a variable factor starts operating. What does diminishing return to a variable factor refer? It refers that when more and more is produced, when more and more units of output are produced, but consequently what happens? The cost of the variable factor also increases, but not at that pace at which the output is produced. It increases, no doubt, but at a diminishing rate, which can be illustrated with the help of this table. Here we are having units of output, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 units of output, and total variable cost is, for 0 output our variable cost is 0, for 1 output our variable cost is 10, for 2 it is 18, and for 3 it is 20, for 4 it's 24, for 5th unit it's 28, and so on, which can be illustrated also with the help of this. Along x-axis we represent output, y-axis represents the variable cost. When output is 0, variable cost is 0. When output is 10, variable cost, when output is 1, variable cost of that very product is 10, and so on. This increasing pace, increasing line indicates the total variable cost. And this much is enough for today.